Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOSE kalapan menaiki result jongka SSLC arja apan riu mentakasni hakabaki nong pas borok kilong haduk prapan riu point %. Naki sapu prahajan riu spa arpulangut kisamla pule sapu arhajar arspa arfrangut kidai kibalapas. Lai pulai hajar sispa apsangut kisamla pule kilapas baru andriu teliki subjek bat kandai hajar sispa sangut kilapasan teliki subjek. Kisamla puli kilala ban page ke result jongki haka website macresult.nic.in da ke bapenan kami rule number jongki. Kisamla puli ki day kena regular kila le bha haka baki regular 1 kila yo kendai pulai point lai % ke jeng pas kat ba regular 2 kila yo prapo point nyopo %.
I'm standing here at Gorkha Pathshala School, and the school has ranked first in MBOSE results. This is the first time the school have resulted first in the MBOSE school, and everyone over here is excited, is having a blast. So let's just take to the student who have come first, and we'll take the interview. Thank you so much. This is Niharika Chaudhary, Apex News India.
It all feels like a dream. It feels ethereal. I can't even think that this is real. This is happening. Uh, Equivalent to Lord Krishna's teachings. He said that because thousands of students have aimed for the top, and luckily I have gotten it. So I would like to tell to all of them that don't be disappointed. Just think of me as a peer, and congratulations to you all.
Also, there were yes with highest marks. Yes, we're so happy. We've done everyone so proud. Been waiting, actually waiting for all of you. So excited. Teachers also. Yes, meet the teachers. Oh, they're all waiting for you.
Congratulations.
I'm really happy today. All this wouldn't have been possible without my teachers. They have supported me a lot throughout this journey. Even my parents, even they are teachers, so I got guidance from them also. And even my friends encouraged me. So thank you to all the people who supported me.
No, I really prayed for it though. I prayed that I would get top 20. I wanted to make my family proud. I'm really glad I got this position. I prayed so hard for it, and I'm just really thankful to God for helping me achieve this position.
What is your next?
I don't have a specific career or job that I aim for. I would like to go commerce because it has a lot of benefits. I can learn about money and finances as well as other life beneficiaries.
Personally, I don't like to confine myself within hours. I like to think of it as a feeling. If I like to study, I would do it at that moment. But I would say that once you reach class 10, you really need to be serious about it. Because as my parents say, it's a make it or break it stage. And for me, I started preparing all the way from the beginning of the year. But at the same time, I would advise students to please enjoy your school life. You'll not get something like this ever again. Do what you love, but at the same time, discipline yourself, especially at the last few months before the final exam. Make sure you give it your all, because in the end, even if you don't do well, as long as you gave it your all, you know you will be satisfied with the results.
Did you expect? We got the number 1 position, so congratulations to everybody, my students, teachers, everybody. It's the hard work that has yielded this result.
So this is the first time you did?
Yeah, this is the first time we got the top positions. And this year, I think everybody knows that we are celebrating 150 years of our foundation. This is Saski Santinal celebrations. So I think I cannot ask for anything better than this from my students. It's a gift from my students to the teachers, to the school.
Expected, sir? Did you expect this?
Yeah, in fact, we were expecting good results because we really had a very good set of batch this year. So we are
feeling so excited, and I give God all the glory. I give him all the praise because he deserves, and he has been with these children from the day they started their schooling here in 7th Set, I believe that God's hand was upon them and His favor is upon them and was upon them and will be upon them for the rest of their academic journey. And we are so happy to announce that 3 of our students emerged with the highest positions, that is 3rd position, 4th position and 16th position, and 5 of them have also succeeded and have been placed in the highest marks list, 5 students. And
thì cái ambition của đơn là được ai cái gì thu cũng phá cho sản đi cho nên đơn là cắt đi là được đang rất bây giờ đơn học ta được hệ sao nên đơn cắt.
And she told me that yes, I may make my result. You can able to know regarding me after my result. Okay, really, she surprised us by this result, and I am very thankful to the principal of these institutions and all the teaching staffs. All the teaching faculties, they are very good, they are very caring, and whatever the activities she participated, even this time also she participated in the Meghalaya Chemistry Olympiad, and she secured 2nd position in that particular Olympiad. Okay, and from class 7, I think, right till class 10,